RLMD stock, super interesting. I'm going to show you my exact technical analysis and price predictions on Relmada Therapeutics stock for the next week. I am the only guy in this stock trading, option trading space that's done 40,000 videos and actually documented them all, like literal proof. I have this taken me 5 years, so it's not like a small deed or from any sort of way. When I had this previous bearish range, man, I said, you know, if it does reach my supply and gives me a double break, I'm looking to take it down. In this particular instance, yeah, only maybe if the price gives me a double break, I'm going to look to take it down. But like randomly selling, it's not going to be happening. And I'm genuinely being honest here, right? So this is how this is going to look like. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting, by the way. And if there's no double break, I'm not selling, but I'm going to keep an eye. Buying, not really, because after this pump up, like, I'm really staying away. Just learn from my 40,000 videos experience. But if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description, get my free email.